Kenya will start Mpox vaccinations in December to combat the spread of the new strain of the virus that has also hit other African countries.
The Ministry of Health says the Mpox vaccination to high-risk populations will start only after Kenya receives enough doses of the vaccine from the Africa Center for Disease Control. Miriam Nyambura has that report.
Kenya will be the fourth African country to vaccinate its population against Mpox after the Democratic Republic of Congo, Rwanda and Nigeria. The Ministry of Health announced that plans are underway to source the doses and subsequently vaccinate high-risk populations by December 2024 to help stop the spread of the virus.
Probably by the end of the year, then we should have received some doses which we can start deploying to the most at risk. We are working very, very closely with the Africa CDC so that we can be taken through the required procedures to be able to request for these vaccines.
Africa CDC, that has only 5.6 million doses of the Mpox vaccine, says Kenyans should view the vaccination exercise as a response mechanism, given that there has been a surge in Mpox cases in Africa. Kenya is also exploring options of acquiring vaccines independently.
We are aspiring or envisioning to vaccinate all vulnerable groups, communities in Africa, to reach everywhere. That's supposed to be vaccinated for Mpox. And we are mobilizing our partners, resources, and member states to achieve that.
So as a country, we are also looking at other mechanisms outside of this regional approach, where we can also be able to acquire and procure vaccines if we are able to come up with a source that we can be able to get vaccines, to bring in vaccines so that we can be able to expand our reach.
The Ministry of Health says it has continuously enhanced surveillance at the borders. At least 1.5 million travelers have been screened across various points of entry.
And it is important to note that we are not out of the woods. We must still remain very, very vigilant so that Mpox is not going to be here with us in the long run.
No new cases of Mpox have been reported since mid-October, when the country reported its first Mpox death. 13 Mpox cases have been confirmed in various counties. Miriam Nyambura, Citizen TV.